We all want to be consistent with reading. We want to read a lot. And we want to be called one of those people who are very good at reading, right? But then what happens is, in reality, some days we read a lot, followed by days of nothing, when you are not reading anything at all. It happens. So I have a simple rule for you that you can follow in your daily life that can help you overcome this problem of yours. Simple rule of reading one page a day. Just one page every single day and you are done. See, what will happen is, most of the times you will not be able to stop yourself at just one page only. Why? Because there is this interesting content, then there are smart writers, and then a flow of meaning established, right? When you start reading, it develops a curiosity as to what is going to lie ahead in the next page or next following few pages, right? And that's how you do not stop only at a one page. Develop a good habit. Good habit is going to substitute and take away the place of bad habit. Some bad habit, something that you do not like about yourself. When you have more time for something that you like doing or you like about yourself, you will automatically have less time for something that you do not like about yourself. See, the idea is just to read one page. If you develop curiosity, you go on and you read more. But when you have already read one page of a book in a day, your task is done. You're done for the day. See, this way you will be able to keep yourself in touch with reading. Another thing is that since one page a day is such a small thing to do, right? So there's no load on your mind. It's going to be easy. And thirdly, it's going to help you a lot. Since there's a feeling, that you don't want to break the chain. You have been reading for 20 to 25 days. Now you want it to continue for the 26th day also, right? And that's how you will automatically be led on the path of reading every single day. And then one day eventually it is going to come up as a new habit. You will feel that about yourself. You will actually feel something inside of you changing. You will feel an inclination towards the book. You will feel a certain loyalty towards the book. I feel loyalty towards my book. I always have a feeling to have a new book, even if I have a limited space. But that feeling keeps me motivated to go further. Moreover, I like it in hardcore. I'm gonna buy the books and read them. I tried to go for the Google books, the Kindle audiobooks, but it didn't work out for me. I like to read it in hardcover. I'm telling you that what happens is that once you are reading a fictional book, you already have a target for the next kind of book you want to read. Like mine is a very simple fundamental. I read a fictional and then a non-fictional and then go back to fictional and then a non-fictional, and that's how I keep myself entertained. You will develop your own pattern. You will find out what kind of books you like more and what books you do not like. There's also a thing. One more thing, I would like to give a suggestion. Something that I do even for myself. If you do not enjoy a book, if you feel you're not enjoying it, you're not actually into it, you're unable to carry on with the book, you don't like it at all, leave it and move on to the next one. I've done it in the past. It's okay to leave and quit a book. It's really okay, because the idea is to be at reading. You have to continue with reading. The idea is not to finish a particular book or a particular writer. Okay, coming back. The idea is to continue with the habit of reading. It does not matter what you read. What matters is you are reading. We have all heard about a phrase, books are man's best friend. When you're sad, happy, annoyed, or whatever mood you are in, you see a book, hold it and open it to read. You develop calmness within a few moments. That's reality. I have experienced this, and believe me, if it worked for me, then surely it is going to work for you as well. This way you will be done with so many books in a year. You will be able to finish so many books once you develop this habit. And if you're making reading a habit, a part of you, you will think differently. You will think out of the box. Your thinking pattern will be good. And all of this is a blessing. It's a blessing of books. If you are smart, you are intelligent, you talk nicely, you talk smartly, it's always a blessing of good book. Most of the time, it's about what you read that comes out of your mouth. Make a tracker. Every day you are done with a page, single page of your book. Just tick mark or write yes and say, I have done it. And today's task is done, and move on to next day. Do it for 30 days, at least 30 days, and see the magic happening for yourself. That's it for today. Thank you very much. I'll be back. If you found this one interesting, do make sure that you abide by it and see the change happening. Till the next video, take good care of yourself. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share the video. Bye bye.